I am Sudip. I study in IUB. I am in the 6th semester of IUB. I am a web developer in Fiverr and I have been working in Fiverr for the last 5 months. It's been a great journey and I would like to thank Minhas Bhaiya for his great effort to make me a web developer in Fiverr. I've heard freelancing from some of my friends. They have been doing freelancing for the last 8 years and they have been earning around $3,000 per month. Then I searched about freelancing in YouTube and I found out that Minhas Bhaiya is one of the best freelancers in Bangladesh. Then I searched Minhas Bhaiya in FB and I got to know that he has a company named CMBD and it's one of the best freelancing organizations in Bangladesh. Then I got to contact Minhas Bhaiya and Minhas Bhaiya told me that to get admitted in CMBD and CMBD will give me 50% scholarship from getting admitted in the first 10 days. Then I got very happy that I am getting admitted in one of the best organizations in Bangladesh. After doing the classes, I really got to know Minhas Bhaiya and he has been one of the best mentors in BD. Minhas Bhaiya has been helping me 24/7 a week and he has been online all day, all night, and whenever I get in a problem, Minhas Bhaiya can help me out through all days and all night. Of my biggest freelancing memories was one from a buyer in France. He kept giving on revisions and I did not know how to do the work. So I had to knock Minhas Bhaiya so that I know how to get the work done. So it was a website design, and I didn't know how to do the work. So I got a lot of support from Minhas Bhaiya and it has been one of the best mentors in Bangladesh to give me the support and I was able to do the work. It was a very difficult job. It was a 12-page website design and the buyer was very stubborn to get the work done. He was like a very old man from France. So finally, after getting all the support and contents and all the problem faced, the work was done. And finally, after 12 revisions, the buyer finally accepted my offer. And being an elite member of CMBD has always been a great chance to be one of the best freelancers. Being an elite member of CMBD, you get a PayPal account, you get instant support, you get instant support from the biggest mentors in BD, and also you get a lifetime support from CMBD. There are a lot of courses every month that you get to know and those are free if you can be an elite member of CMBD. And to be an elite member, you have to work hard, and I got a level 1 badge in Fiverr and finally gonna be top rated in up. Bangladesh is a country of struggles, and especially here students who want to earn a lot, they cannot earn a lot because they cannot do the job properly. They are not graduated from their universities and they cannot get a job. So I would suggest them to come to Minhas Bhaiya or to come to CMBD and start freelancing as soon as possible. Because if you start freelancing, you can earn thousands of dollars sitting in your home and with a laptop, and it's not that much of a work. It's really easy, but yes, you have to put a lot of time in it to earn thousands of dollars, and you have to be a little more patient and you must be very careful to be one of the best in this line. And I would suggest that Minhas Bhaiya is actually one of the best human beings ever, because he's real humble and kind. Whenever you call him, you can get his call and get support from him anytime. So I would suggest you to come to CMBD and be a freelancer under Minhas Bhaiya.